Hi card making friends. When was the last time you had a really productive day in your craft room? Well, here at Club Scrap, we're all about productivity, creativity, and success. Let's take a look at how we can help you make beautiful cards in no time with our Lotus Card Kit. Here is a set of 12 absolutely stunning cards. Let's take a closer look. During this workshop with our Lotus Kit, you'll make a total of 4 cards in this style with this cute little handmade envelope and a handmade tag that slides in. And then we'll make a second set of 4 cards in this style. We've got this cute little lotus charm here and sentiments on both the outside and the inside. And did you catch that? We have like an exploding lotus flower on the inside of each of these cards. And during the class, I'll give you the materials and the knowledge to make that cute little pop-up. And we'll round out our time together by making a set of 4 of these lovely telescoping cards. You can see they're embellished with beautiful ribbons and have sentiments both on the outside and inside, perfect for any reason and any season. And here's how it works. You start out with a series of 12 by 12 and 8.5 by 11 papers this time. We've got 2 of these text weight to help make that pop-up lotus, 2 gorgeous prints, and then a series of cardstock in purple, yellow, aqua, and pink. The sentiments for both the outside and inside of all of your cards are provided on these 2 sheets of 12 by 12 cut-aparts. And of course, we're providing those sweet flower charms and the mini tassels, and a sheet of that crinkle paper we're using to make the mini envelopes, all of the gorgeous coordinating ribbon, a set of 12 envelopes for each of the 3 sizes for the cards. And the best part is you get these marvelous instructions. Simply download and print them, and then follow along with me during the video workshop where we will trim, score, and assemble these cards together. Don't forget to grab your Lotus Kit while supplies last, and I look forward to seeing you in class.